Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss NBS reagent. NBS means N-bromosuccinimide. The structure of NBS, this is the structure N-bromosuccinimide. Now application. NBS application, 4 application is there. First, bromination of allylic benzylic position, bromination of at alpha position with respect to keto group, oxidation of alcohols, addition of bromine on alkene in the presence of nucleophile. I discuss one by one. First, I discuss bromination of allylic or benzylic position. Now, suppose R CH2 CH double bond CH2 in presence of NBS peroxide, suppose ROR HBr in Hnu. The product is, so allylic position, bromination, this is the allylic position, so this is the bromine added. One hydrogen replaced, bromine added. Now, mechanism of this reaction. This is most important. Now, mechanism ROR, this peroxide, first in presence of Hnu, this bond radical break, radical type, form this. Now, in ROR, in RO radical, in presence of HBr, so this bond break and form RO, this is the ROH and form Br radical. And then this allylic group CH hydrogen CH double bond CH2 in presence of Br radical, this bond break in radical fission to form RCH radical CH double bond CH2, and this radical combine to H to form HBr, and these radical are more stable because conjugated system. So first check conjugated or stability of radical. Then in NBS used. So in presence of HBr, this HBr form react with HBr to form Br2 and H added this side. This is NH and form Br and Br dot radical to form Br2. And then R, this product RCH radical CH double bond CH2 in presence of Br break this bond and Br radical form Br radical added this to form the product RCH Br CH double bond CH2 plus H plus Br radical, sorry, this is Br radical. So this is the product. So main things is that first check allylic hydrogen or benzylic hydrogen, allylic hydrogen replaced by bromine radical. This is the product. And check the stability of radical. Radical stability increase, so the product increase and major product form. Now another example. Now in presence of NBS PH CO2 peroxide CCl4. Now first check allylic position. Allylic position means double bond first carbon, this is allylic position, and allylic hydrogen means this hydrogen is allylic hydrogen. Now there is two allylic position, so form two allylic radical. This is the radical, allylic radical, and this the form another allylic radical. This is 2 degree allylic radical, this is 1 degree allylic radical. We know the allylic radical stability 2 degree greater than 1 degree. So this is the major product and this is minor product form. So then in presence of NBS, to form Br radical, this Br radical added. We know this mechanism. So this is the major product. And this is the minor product. Remember this thing. First check allylic position hydrogen, and allylic position hydrogen replaced by bromine, and check the stability of radical. So this is the 1 degree radical, this is 2 degree radical. We know radical stability 3 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 1 degree. So this is 2 degree, this is major product, and this is minor product. Second, I discuss bromination at alpha position with respect to keto group. Now example, R CH2 C double bond O R. This is the keto group in presence of NBS, peroxide or OR in HBr. So this is the alpha position and this is the keto group. An alpha position keto group bromination. This hydrogen replaced by bromine. So form the CHBr. This is C double bond O R. This is the product. So alpha position check, keto group alpha position check, alpha position hydrogen replaced by bromine. Next I discuss oxidation of alcohol. In presence of NBS, 1 degree alcohol oxidized to keto group, aldehyde, and 2 degree alcohol replaced to oxidized to keto group, keto form. Now there is 2 alcohol is there. This is the example of this is 2 alcohol is there. This is 2 degree alcohol and this is the 1 degree alcohol. In this case, remember this thing, 2 degree alcohol first oxidized than 1 degree alcohol. If 1 degree alcohol, only 1 degree alcohol, this is from the aldehyde, and 2 degree alcohol, this is from the keto. But there is two form of two alcohol is there. So 2 degree alcohol greater than 1 degree. So first this is the oxidized. This alcohol are oxidized. So this is the product. This is the product. So from the keto group, and this alcohol remain unchanged. So this is the product. So remember this thing. First we check 1 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol, this is from the aldehyde. 2 degree alcohol, this is keto. But there is two form of two alcohol is there. 2 degree alcohol, 1 degree alcohol. Then first alcohol oxidized 2 degree, then 1 degree. 2 degree first oxidized. So this is from the keto. 1 degree remain unchanged. Now next I discuss addition of bromine on alkane in presence of nucleophile. Now example, RCH double bond CH2 in presence of NBS and the nucleophile is there. So first form the product CH2Br and this is nucleophile adduct. So form this is anti-product is formed. Remember this thing, and this is form Markovnikov rule addition. So first in nucleophile addition in presence of NBS, so this is from the anti-product and Markovnikov addition product. Now mechanism, this is most important. CH double bond CH2 in presence of NBS, this is Br N double bond O, this is the NBS structure. So this is addition of bromine, first addition of bromine to form RCH CH2 Br plus. Then attack nucleophile attack this side or this side. Check this side because this side attack because this is the 2 degree cation form RCH CH2 Br. So from the plus, this is 2 degree cation, carbocation, and another in the form this side. So RCH Br CH2 plus, this is 1 degree carbocation. We know 2 degree carbocation more stable than 1 degree carbocation. So nucleophile attack this carbon side. So form the product RCH CH2 Br. This is the nucleophile. This is the product, and product anti-product is formed. Now another example. In presence of NBS OH minus nucleophile. So form the product. This is first form Br plus, and then form OH minus attacked this side because this is 3 degree carbocation. So this is the product. This is OH and from the Br. But this is the stereochemistry of this reaction. Check. First Br attacked. Suppose Br is below side attacked. Br plus form below side. So this methyl group above side. Then OH minus attacked. Anti-product form. So OH minus attacked in above side. So form Br. So OH minus attacked in above side. Above OH and Br below side, and methyl group in presence of OH minus, methyl group up to below side. Methyl group go to below side position. So this is the stereochemistry of the reaction. Now another reaction. In presence of NBS HF. to form the product. First form Br plus, then attack F minus to form this is suppose this is below side, so attack fluorine, this is above side, so F, this is the Br. And another most important example, suppose in presence of NBS and MEOH, so first form the product is Br plus, suppose this is below side, so then this remove to form this side, this is carbocation form and form the product Br, because stability of carbocation 2p2p overlap. So then MEOH attacked, so attack this side to form this is above side attacked, because anti-product is formed, so this is Br. So this is the product. And more update, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you.